In this video, we will look at the setup being used to compare the DL-ISO and IsoVu. The goal is to make the two setups comparable and fair. Both probes are 1 GHz probes. We are using a 2 GHz WaveRunner 8000 HD and a 2.5 GHz Tektronix 6 Series B model. Let us analyze the PSPL output. The PSPL has an approximately 10 volt pulse at approximately 200 picoseconds. We add a divide by 2 attenuator so that the scopes can handle the voltage. A 200 picosecond pulse has frequency content significantly above 1 GHz. So I pass the PSPL output through a 1 GHz low pass filter to limit the frequency content. I connect the signal to this board that passes the signal straight through to the oscilloscope with an MMCX connector for the DL-ISO or IsoVu probe to pick off from. On the oscilloscopes, I press default setup on both. The WaveRunner 8000 HD is always in 12-bit mode. I just need to set my sample rate and time window. The Tech 6 series claims to be 12 bits, but the default setup is in 8-bit mode. I wonder why. Anyway, I get into 12-bit mode and then override a few settings along the way to get to a sample rate and time window that's comparable to the LeCroy setup. For the probes themselves, I plug in both probes, let them warm up sufficiently, and then calibrate them to ensure best performance. Click the link for our comparison video. Thanks for watching. To learn more about the Teledyne LeCroy DL-ISO, go to teledynelacroy.com/DL-ISO.